Cummins are introducing their brand new fuel-agnostic engine range. It's a perfect example of Destination Zero.
Cummins has been a powerhouse in the trucking world for decades, all thanks to their legendary diesel engines. But, in a surprising twist, they've just built something completely new: a gasoline engine. It's a first for the company, and it raises a big question. Why now? And what could this mean for the future of trucking? For diesel fans, the name Cummins has been king for over a century. Since the company's founding in 1919, diesel was their signature, the foundation of their reputation. Yet now, Cummins has done something nobody expected. They've rolled out their first-ever gasoline engine. This new B6.7 octane engine is actually built from the bones of their legendary 6.7-liter diesel. It sounds unusual at first, but it makes sense when you consider the engineering behind it. Modern diesel engines are beasts, delivering over 1,000 pound-feet of torque in heavy-duty pickups, while still managing fuel economy of around 20 miles per gallon in trucks that weigh as much as a small skyscraper. But diesel isn't as straightforward a choice as it once was. Fuel costs have risen, emissions regulations have become stricter, and maintenance has grown more complicated. Despite that, diesel still dominates in locomotives, construction equipment, generators, and long-haul trucks. In medium-duty pickups, diesel remains a formidable option. More untold stories and insider info are on the way. Stay tuned. Cummins' new gasoline engine aims to combine diesel-like durability with the simplicity and lower emissions of gasoline. By converting their proven diesel platform, the B6.7 octane promises a tough, easy-to-maintain workhorse that runs on regular 87-octane gas. On paper, it checks all the boxes: durability, fuel economy, and compliance with tough emissions rules, especially in states like California. In essence, it could offer a loophole for diesel-heavy applications like motorhomes, while avoiding the headaches of traditional diesel maintenance. We've got more incredible content on the way. Stay with us. The move is part of Cummins' broader strategy, which began in 2022 with the fuel-agnostic engine concept. The goal was to bridge the gap between today's diesel workhorses and the electric future, giving fleets more options to cut emissions and lower operating costs. Cummins envisioned this approach across their engine lineup, from pickups to medium-duty trucks to the massive L and X series powering big rigs. While these engines aren't multi-fuel in the sense of switching on the fly, fleet operators could select diesel, gasoline, natural gas, hydrogen, or propane when ordering a truck, ensuring flexibility and efficiency. In 2024, Cummins rebranded this initiative as HELM, standing for higher energy, lower emissions, and multiple fuels. The engineering behind the B6.7 octane leverages most of the diesel engine's lower-end components, simplifying maintenance and parts management for fleets already running Cummins diesels. Most modifications happen in the cylinder head, allowing the engine to run on gasoline without sacrificing durability. Cummins claims it's the most durable medium-duty gasoline engine available, specifically designed for trucks, school buses, step vans, and delivery vehicles. With 300 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque, it delivers diesel-like performance, prioritizing torque over horsepower, and promises up to 10% better fuel economy compared to other gasoline engines in similar trucks. Maintenance is simpler too, with passive catalysts replacing diesel-style DPF systems. Stick around. More fascinating stories are coming your way. Cummins is already pairing the B6.7 octane with proven transmissions, like the Allison 2000 and 3000 series, and rolling it out with major customers like Kenworth in Class 5 through 7 trucks. Early reports suggest it drives like a diesel, but with the simplicity and maintenance of gasoline. The sound even hints at diesel roots, though it's not quite the same. While the B6.7 may represent a significant step forward for medium-duty vehicles, Cummins is clear that internal combustion engines have a limited window. The Helm platform aligns with their Destination Zero strategy, which aims to reduce emissions today while investing in hydrogen, battery electric, and other clean technologies for the future. The approach balances immediate needs with long-term innovation, similar to past shifts in engine technology, like GM converting gas engines to diesel in the 1970s, or Kawasaki experimenting with hydrogen prototypes. We're just scratching the surface. Stick around for what's next. Technically, Cummins' first gasoline production engine is a milestone. While earlier adaptations existed, like the White Motor Company converting Cummins diesels in the 1960s, this is Cummins' first foray under its own name. The future applications are still being determined. There's speculation about pickups, but the full scope remains to be seen. What is clear is that Cummins is blending legacy engineering with forward-looking innovation, creating a gasoline engine built to deliver the reliability and strength the trucking world has long depended on, while embracing the realities of today's fuel and emissions landscape. Whatever the case, this engine could change our perception of workhorse vehicles for years to come. But the story doesn't end there. Cummins is already looking to a future of cleaner, more efficient, and ultimately zero-emission powertrains. So, what do you think? Could this gasoline powerhouse be the next big thing in trucking? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next big discovery in the world of engines and innovation.